MikroTik has been around for decades, and while we started out with simple network routers, over time our knowledge and expertise have been growing. Along with that comes an ever-expanding product range. Mobile broadband has become the means for internet access to millions of people worldwide, and we are keeping pace with our Chateau range. These aren't just routers, they are here to enable a lifestyle. Perfect for the age of remote working, enabling people in the countryside and perhaps allowing them to avoid expensive or inconvenient wired broadband contracts. And they just look simple and elegant, don't they? But let's go beyond the appearances. When it comes to capabilities, the Chateau comes in 7 different flavors, from easygoing and affordable LTE 6 to 5G and Wi-Fi 6 supercharged heavy hitters. Starting at the low end, we have the 300 megabits per second space. Chateau LTE 6 is your basic home access point with 5 gigabit Ethernet ports and a quad-core ARM CPU, which, by the way, means it is possible to run Linux containers on these boards. It is a very unique feature of RouterOS that you can take advantage of to host your own applications, perhaps a unique user interface. However, you don't have to worry about that, as we offer our own UI that you can easily modify using branding packages. Moving up the ladder, we have the Chateau LTE 6AX. It is the Wi-Fi 6 upgrade that comes along with a more powerful CPU, 4 gigabit Ethernet ports, and one 2.5 gigabit Ethernet port for the most demanding connections. The main feature, of course, is the AX wireless. Up to 40% higher speed in the 5 GHz spectrum and up to 90% higher speed in the 2.4 GHz spectrum. This board is quite an upgrade, but if the 300 megabits per second modem is not enough, we can switch to the LTE 12 version delivering 600 megabits per second. Or move even higher into the premium range. Chateau LTE 18AX supports mobile internet up to 1.2 gigabits in theory, and our Chateau 5G models support even 5 gigabit data rate Quectel modems. Chateau 5G R16 is the 2023 upgrade of our first 5G Chateau, designed to make 5G more affordable than ever. We've added a new 5G modem and improved the technical design, while making the price even lower than before. In fact, we can even offer unbelievable discounts for mobile operator volume orders, a perfect deal for those of you with demanding clients. Unlike all other Chateau versions, this one features a design with no external antennas, keeping a neat minimalist look. Also, that means less troubleshooting in cases when clients might have lost or broken the external antennas. You don't want to know what toddlers want to do with these horns. The updated R16 modem supports the latest 3GPP Release 16 standard with more ENDC combinations, meaning basically much better connectivity across different mobile operator towers, and it also supports 4x4 MIMO for the lower frequency range, like band 8, 20 and 28, offering better performance in the countryside. Like with the LTE 6 devices, Chateau 5G also has room for further upgrades. If you need 2.5 gigabit Ethernet and Wi-Fi 6, there's the best-selling 5G AX version, our fastest top-of-the-line, future-proof home access point. Perhaps the best aspect of our Chateau range is the adaptability. We can print a variety of labels and do your branding. You can use the TR069 technology for your specific remote client management needs. Perhaps you want your clients to configure the router via your web page that they are using to pay the mobile bill. These routers come with the most advanced networking software that I've personally ever seen, RouterOS. No paywalls, no subscriptions, feature-rich enterprise-level functionality for the best price on the market. Our devices can be perfect for seasoned system administrators, networking professionals, or they can be easily adapted for average Joes who couldn't care less about tech aspects. Finally, one more thing. We all know it is not just about the looks, the speed, and the fancy features. There's another important aspect: security. We design, code, and develop everything ourselves within the European Union, right here in our headquarters in Riga, Latvia. Even our customer support team sits behind one of these walls. There is no outsourcing. With MikroTik, you can take advantage of the famous Northern work ethic and the strict European safety policies. We're all about strong, long-term cooperation without surprises. If that sounds good to you, let us know and we can always work something out.